What's up mga ka-crazy? Another day, another Hot Wheels hunting. Ayun guys, paldo tayo. May bagong restock dito sa Royal Subic Bay. Ayan no. Napakadaming restock nila ngayon. Ayan, meron pang premium Hot Wheels Boulevard. Sulit talaga. Ayan, napakaangas. Jeez. Uy, may Mustang guys. Uy, talaga naman. May Mustang, may Hot Trucks. Uy, may Datsun pa siya Syempre, itong nakuha natin guys. Meron tayong Dodge Viper, Fish and Chip, at saka Dodge Challenger. Uy, teka ano to? Uy, regular treasure Napakasulit, napakaangas talaga. Sheesh. Boom! Ayan guys, nakakuha tayo ng regular treasure hunt para sa 2025. First time ko ito makakuha guys. Ayan napakaganda naman. Ayan guys Ayan, meron silver flame logo sa card. At syempre meron ding logo sa car. Ayan guys, designed by Hot Wheels. Napakasulit, napakaangas talaga. Like, share, and follow. Happy hunting!